In front of me is HUAWEI Pura 80 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can open apps in pop-up view. All you need to do is launch an app you wanna use in this view and access it in the background. When you do that, you will see this icon at the top right corner of it. Click on it and wait. As you can see now, I can use my app in this little window. To move it around, hold this line at the top and drag it. To scale it, hold one of its bottom corners and drag it as well. Now, if you wanna use all of those options at the top, I can tell you quickly how to do it. This one at the top left corner, when clicked, will let you use your app in full screen view right away. This one though will minimize it and turn it into a bubble. You can hold and move this bubble around. And also, thanks to it, you can close your window completely by dragging it to bin icon until it's red. If you wanna access your window again, just tap on the bubble. You can also minimize it by tapping on Home button. Then to get access to it again, click on Tiny Window. Last but not least, to close your window completely, you can click on this X at the top right corner. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!